My 60-year-old father spread rumors that I was a pedophile because he didn't want people to know he was ducking a 20-year-old for money who was...
Now, as for the dumbest man on television, hands down, Don Lemon won some award for like worst journalist in like 2014 or something. Now, I'll tell you what I find so fascinating about this whole thing is what Bill Maher said back in 2016.
I see we're still making up parking spaces out of
Manual recording will now start.
Oh.
But I will read some of his conclusions. He says, let me read through a bit. To the interim director of the National...
Manual recording will now start.
While leaving impeachment managers far short of the votes needed to convict, barring some extraordinary turn. Now, ultimately, of course, they would talk to each other if they worked together. I don't think we need to dip that far to say there's something fishy going on. Listen, if it is something more ethical, that she's paying off-market rates, like well above, to siphon money to her boyfriend, that's extremely unethical, and of millennials are saving money. That's good, but it does still mean 27% have none. Maybe they're the ones who need that debt relief, right?
We met up at the school, and I was the first to drive. We got about 5 minutes in, turned onto the main road. Grateful, grounded us, and took our phones away so we couldn't talk to our dad. I used to work as a cashier.
Number one, encourage flower planters out front. Have you gone through some of the towns in Vermont that have begun to do this? They look better than the towns that haven't.
Manual recording will now start.
A woman had been hit by a big rig during foggy weather. She was suing for a back injury. The last day of the trial,
officials that the creators of the ransomware intended to steal from organizations like EWA and its clients. Alexander Garcia.
Fashion. Get rid of the far leftists and the crooked neoliberals running their party. Reform themselves, get some new blood in there, and try to do better.
Manual recording will...
My freshman year, I transferred into a more advanced science class. On my first day in the new class, there is a quiz. I asked the teacher if I was exempt from the
Manual
quiz,
recording
since it
will
was my
now
first
start.
day.
I'm just gonna chill. No point getting stressed anymore, right? I don't know what this means for Democrats, but I do think it's kind of funny that in 2016 they said this.
The director of Titanic. Inches there are over 9 million variations after just 3. One of the dogs pulled clear up 2 walls, about 4.5 feet up across about 6 feet wide worth of wall. I was laughing.
Pandemic proportions. Experts recently said in a report from Fox News they fully expect this to go hand-to-cheat. And to an extent, I can respect
Pull
that.
forward, my ass is hanging out.
The idea of actual, humans who want to see real change and work on
Manual
policies.
recording will now start.
Come on, it's a speed bump.